Hello students, I'm going to do this with you. This is one of the questions on your balancing chemical equations worksheet. So you can see we have I2 plus N2S2O3 yields NaI plus Na2S4O6. So really that's a lot of stuff, but let's just break it down. Let's start with the reactants side. So we've got our reactants here on the left, and let's look at our reactants. We have iodine, and we're starting with two of those. We have sodium, and we're starting with two of those. We have sulfur, and there are two of those, and oxygen, and there are three of those. Now remember, all of these are in a single molecule. So what you do to one, you have to do to all of them. Let's look on the other side. This is our product side. And let's do these in the same order. Iodine, right there, there's one. Sodium, and there is one. There's another sodium, and there is two. And the way I do this is I know I have three sodiums, but really I have one in one molecule and two in the other molecule. So I'm actually going to write it like that. So let me get rid of some of this here. And let's say, okay, I have sodium, but I have one in the first molecule with the iodine, and I have two in the second molecule with the sulfur and the oxygen. There are 4 sulfur and there are 6 oxygen. All right, so let's start balancing. How many oxygens do I have? Let's start at the bottom. I have 6 oxygens on the product side and 3 on the reactant side. How do I get 6 on both sides? First thing I'm going to do, 3 times 2 equals 6. This 2 is the coefficient that I'm going to put on the blank up at the top. Now, that coefficient also belongs to the sulfur and the sodium. Okay, I did an S instead of a 2. Let's see. It belongs to the sulfur and the sodium. All right, so how many sulfurs does this give me? It gives me 4. How many sodiums does this give me? It gives me 4. All right, well, what that does is it takes care of the oxygens. It takes care of the sulfurs. It does not take care of the sodiums. I have 4 on the left and 3 on the right. I need at least one more. I also need one more iodine. And if you look, this one iodine and this one sodium happen to be in a molecule together. I need 2. I need one more sodium, okay? And I need one more iodine. Well, this 2 here is the coefficient that you put in this blank here, okay? And what I end up with is 2 iodines. Well, that takes care of the iodine, and it gives me between this 2 and this 2, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. That's 4 sodiums and 4 sodiums. Now even the sodiums are fixed. So here's what I've got. I have 1 molecule of iodine. You don't have to write the 1. Normally we don't. But just for the sake of clarity, there is 1 molecule of iodine. There are 2 molecules of Na2S2O3. There's 2 molecules of NaI. And for the sake of clarity, I don't have to write the 1, but if I did, It's 1 molecule of Na2SO4. You don't have to write those ones, but. So there you have it. It's balanced, and this is the work I should see on your worksheet, the 8.09 worksheet. Have a great day.